Good morning. Now, I will discuss to you the decomposing partial rational function case 4. The problem is the factor of qx are linear and quadratic, and some of the quadratic factors are repeated. If ax squared plus bx plus c is p-fold quadratic factor of qx, then the corresponding to this factor is quantity of ax squared plus bx plus c raised to the power p. We have the sum of p partial fractions. Capital A sub 1 x plus b sub 1 all over quantity of ax squared plus bx plus c raised to the power p plus capital A sub 2 x plus b sub 2 all over quantity of ax squared plus bx plus c raised to the power of p minus 1 plus plus apx plus bp all over ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay? Now we have an example. The example is decompose x cubed plus 2x squared, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 raised to the power of 2 into sum of partial fractions. The step 1 na ating gagawin is we need to copy itong area na ito. So, once na nakopy na natin, ito na yung kalalabasan niya. Is equal to ax plus b. Then, all over quantity of ax squared plus 2x plus 2 raised to the power of 2. Okay? Then, itong area na to, kailangan natin siyang minus 1, which is 2 minus 1 is 1. So, ikakopy lang natin itong part na to. Then, tatanggalin na natin to. So, magiging ganito siya. Okay. Ang mangyayari dyan is plus cx plus d all over quantity of x squared plus 2x plus 2. Ito yung kinalabasan dito, which is 2 dito, then 1 dito. Okay? Then, kailangan natin siyang i-times sa ating denominator, which is ito, denominator. Okay. Once na tinimes na natin itong area na to dito, ang mangyayari dyan is, itong area, ita-times natin dito, then magiging sagot is cancel dito, then cancel dito. Ang ating sagot na makukuha is itong nasa taas lang, which is x cubed plus 2x plus 3x plus 1. Okay? Then, i-times natin ito dito. Ang mangyayari is cancel dito, cancel dito. Ang matitira na lang sa atin is ax plus b. So, ito yung nasulat natin dito. Then, plus. Okay? Plus. Then, ito times dito, magiging cancel out lang yung isa nating denominator. Kasi yung value nito is 1, pero yung value nito is 2, which is naka-reach siya sa 2. So, minus 1 lang natin siya. So, copy ito. Cx plus d. Then, ito, copy natin to. Yung natira dito sa dalawa. Ito siya. Wag natin kakalimutan na itong part na to is nakakulong siya, which is i-allow natin siya dito. Then, ito din. Bawal to magsama, which is wag natin pagsamahin. Then now, dahil wala naman ditong makakancel, let's move to next steps. We need to simplify. So, ax plus b plus binomial times trinomial, we need to distribute lang. We need to distribute. So, cx times x squared is equal to cx cubed. Then, cx times 2x is equal to 2c squared. Okay? The next is cx times 2 is equal to 2cx plus d times x squared is equal to dx squared. Then d times 2x is equal to 2dx. Then d times 2 is equal to 2d. Okay? Then bring down natin ito. Itong part na to dito. So I forgot, mali dito. So 3 dito dapat. 3. So x squared, x cubed. Dapat yun. Then equal to, let's start to cube. So yung cube natin dito sa taas is isa, which is cx cubed, which is copy lang natin yan. Then simplify natin yung mga naka-squared, which is yung naka-squared natin dito is dalawa lang, which is 2c squared and dx squared. Okay? Once na na-simplify natin, ito yung mangyayari. Quantity of 2c plus d. Then times 2x squared. I-simplify ito i-simplify nito. Okay? Itong dalawa na to. Then plus yung naka-x naman, yung may mga x, which is ax, then 2cx, then 2dx. Okay? Kung si-simplify natin siya, ito siya mangyayari, which is quantity of a plus 2c plus 2d, then nasa labas yung x. Bakit? Kasi kung i-distribute natin ito, magiging ganito din naman siya. Okay? Which is x times a is equal to ax. Okay? Then 2c times x is equal to 2c squared. Okay? Then 2d times x is equal to 2dx. Okay? Gets nyo? Then now, let's kunin naman natin yung mga constant natin, which is yung constant natin is yung walang x, which is b and 2d. Okay? Ito siya, plus 2 plus b plus 2d. Okay? Ito yung mga constant natin. Now, simplify na natin tong area na to. Ang makukuha natin is yung 1 is equal to c. So, sa mga nagtataka kung saan nakuha natin yung 1 minus a is equal to c, is dito lang siya. The value of 1 natin is dito siya nakuha, which is yung x cube. So, yung value ng x natin is 1. So, copy the 1. Then, itong c, saan nakuha tong c? Dito siya nakuha, okay? Yung value ng x cube natin is c. Okay? Ito siya. Then, next is 2. Ito, 2. Then, second na equal niya is ito siya. Okay? 2c plus d. Okay? Then, the third is 3x. So, 3. Then, is equal to, third is a plus 2c plus 2d. Okay? Ito yung value niya. Then, last is 1, which is ito. 1 is equal to, last natin is b plus 2d. Okay, ito yung constant. Now, dahil may value na tayo ng c, may value na tayo ng c, di ba? So, pwede nating masolve itong part na ito, which is 2 equal to c plus d. Kailangan lang natin palitan yung c ng 1, which is yung value ng c is 1. So, ito yung mangyayari. 2 is equal to 2, then palitan natin yung c ng 1, okay? Then plus d. Ang mangyayari dyan is 2, okay? Then 2 times 1 is 2 plus d. Dahil wala pa tayo ng value ng d, is copy lang natin itong d. Then, transpose natin itong 2 dito. So, pag nagta-transpose tayo ng positive, ay magiging negative siya. So, 2 minus negative minus 2, okay, is equal to d. So, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 is equal to D. So, yung value ng D natin is 0. Okay? Now, pwede na nating makuha yung value nito dahil meron na tayong value ng C, then meron na tayong value ng D. So, ulitin ko yung value ng C natin, which is 1, yung value ng D natin, which is 0. Okay? So, pag kinumpute natin ito siya. So, copy muna natin. 3 is equal to A plus 2, then yung value ng C natin. Yung value ng C natin, huwag kakalimutan, which is 1. Okay? So, 1 plus 2, then value ng D. So, yung value ng D natin is 0. Ito siya. So, pinalitan na natin. Then, i-compute na natin. 3 is equal to A plus 2, which is 2 times 1 is 2. Then, plus 2 times 0 is equal to 0. Okay? Then, yung magiging sagot natin is ito. Then, simplify natin, transpose natin yung 2 dito. Ulitin ko ulit, pag nagtatranspose tayo ng positive, magiging negative siya. Okay? Transpose natin siya. Then, magiging 3 minus 2 is equal to A. Okay? So, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So, yung value ng A natin is 1. Okay? Then, dito naman tayo sa value ng B, which is, ito siya. 1 is equal to B plus 2D. So, meron na tayong value ng D, right? So, yung value ng D natin is 0. So, copy natin. 1 is equal to B. Dahil wala pa tayong value ng B, copy lang muna natin. Plus 2. Value ng D is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. So, yung value ng B natin is 1. B is equal to 1. Okay, gets nyo? Now, let's simplify natin dito. Simplify na natin. So, copy na yung kinapi natin, which is to. Copy lang natin ito. Ito daw is kailangan maging equal siya dito. So, equal to AX1. So, yung A natin, ito, AX natin, yung value ng A is 1, right? Dahil dito, yung value ng A ito. Ito. So, then plus B. Yung value ng B natin is 1. Dito ulit, B. Okay? Then, copy the denominator natin. Yung denominator natin dito. Copy lang natin ito. Plus 1. Itong 1 na ito yung C natin. Yung value ng C. Yung value ng C ulit natin is 1. Okay? Huwag kakalimutan. 1x. Then, plus 0. So, yung 0 na ito is ito yung value ng D natin. Ito siya, D. Okay? D. Then, copy the denominator nito. So, pag kinapin natin, ito yung magiging sagot natin. Pero, hindi pa to yung final answer. Kailangan pa natin itong simplify. So, magiging sagot natin is, the decomposed version of this is x plus 1 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 raised to the power of 2. Bakit? Kasi 1 times x is equal to x. Okay? Plus 1. Okay? Then, plus, so, 1 times x is equal to x plus 0. Kahit hindi na natin isulat tong 0 na ito. Okay? Kahit x lang. Then, copy natin to dito. So, this is the final answer. Okay? Ito yung final answer na natin na nakuha sa problem na binigay. So, I hope you learned something.